Ladies and gentlemen, welcome for the Battle of Third, and this would be the last game for both of these teams. It's the ACC Green Serpents versus the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, battling for the third runner-up for this game. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Live na live po tayo dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium and also via One Media, TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Ayun na nga po, and this would be the last game for both of these teams. We have the ACC Green Serpents and the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Both of these teams are from the province of Albay. And ayun na nga, as we can see, medyo kakaunti yung audiences natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo, but of course, nakatutok sila sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV. And of course, yung mananalo po for this game will be the second runner-up for Bukal Season 6 Juniors Division, while yung matatalo naman po will be the third runner-up for this season. Kaya tutok lamang dahil magandang match-up na naman ang nag-aabang sa atin for this day. And of course, yung mga makakasama natin on the court side, we have our lovely ladies. We have here Amanda and of course, Rain. And para mabigyan tayo ng kaunting insights about sa preparations ng teams, maya-maya lamang ay maririnig natin yan. And of course, handang-handa na yung dalawang teams na ito na magpasiklav because of course, this is the last game for this season. And syempre, tingnan rin natin kung ano yung mga ipinaghanda nila since I think this is the first time na magtatapat itong ating ACC Green Serpents and of course ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Parehas pa nga sila galing sa Albay. And as we can see, malamig yung panahon sa labas, pero let's see kung makakasabay ba yung dalawang teams natin ngayon dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Amanda on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Jasper, and good morning to our Bicolandia viewers. Via Bukal Facebook page, One Media TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is the battle for third runner-up for Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League Season 6. Live here at Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, the battle between ACC Green Serpents and the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. I am Amanda Lazar, who will bring you our hottest courtside actions for this morning. Ngayon nga ang battle for third runner-up at titignan natin kung ano nga ba ang naging preparasyon at adjustments ng Defenders of Faith ngayong umaga laban sa ACC Green Serpents. At nakita naman natin kung paano nila ipinakita ang kanilang galing at dedikasyon noong nakaraang laban sa NCF Cups. Kaya naman titignan natin kung paano ba ang kanilang adjustments sa kanilang ball possession, defense at kanilang offense, and of course at the same time ang guidance na ibibigay sa kanila ng coaches. Kaya naman Bicolandia viewers, abangan natin ang maiinit na aksyon dito lamang sa One Media TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Amanda reporting from the side of Daraga National High School. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Ayun na nga, muntik nang manalo itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Muntik nang makapag-advance doon sa ating championship round dahil konti lamang yung lamang na nagawa doon ng NCF Cups doon sa last game nila. But this time, first ball possession ni John Marmadrona on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And bago yan, humingi naman tayo ng update later on. And out of bounds as the Daraga National High School gains that ball possession. Now, Robert Bayani. Swings it to Garnase. Now, Garnase on the outside to Bayani. Didiretso Bayani. Now, here comes Lustria. No good. Pero Di Guzman hindi papayag na hindi sila makakapag-convert doon ng early two-pointer, and that was good on the side of the defenders. Now, ACC Green Serpents, John Marmadrona fires for three. No good. First blood for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith now. Di Guzman. On the corner, jersey number 20. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Rain on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Good morning, Jasper, and hello, Bicolanza. We are back at Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium as we head on to the Battle of Third for this Bukal Season 6. This is a battle between the ACC Green Serpents and the Daraga National High School. Both schools from the province of Albay. Malakas at pamilyar na nga sa bawat isa ang dalawang kupuna because sa pagkakaalam ko ay nagharap na ang dalawang teams na ito sa isang league all the way from Albay. Of course, with the same determination, simula pa lang the season ay handa nilang ipanalo ang laban na ito. Now, will the victor of this match will be the ACC Green Serpents or the Daraga National High School? I am Rain Reyes and I will be your courtside reporter for this game on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Reyna, on that update from the side naman of the ACC Green Serpents. And as we can see, maagang officials challenge yung nakita natin, no? As our officials is having that early review for the first minute and 20 seconds of this first quarter. So let's see kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari on that last sequence, kung kanino mapupunta ang ball possession. And of course, nandito rin yung ating mga coaches. As we can see, the coaches of the USI Falcons. We have here Coach Tope, Coach Paps. Ayan. And a quick shout out here to John Ray Rabang of the STI Olympians na nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And of course, as we can remember yung nakalaban nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, for the semi-final rounds, it's the NCF Cubs. And naiuwi nga doon nung NCF Cubs yung spot for our championship round. While ito namang ating ACC Green Serpents, yung nakatapat nila on that semi-finals round is the ACLC Hawks. And ayun na nga, ACLC Hawks yung nakasungkit ng place or ng spot doon sa ating championship round. And let's see kung anong gagawin nila ngayon as jersey number 17, Bongon firing for 3 points on that corner. Now, De Guzman to Robert Bayani. An early 2-pointer din. Now, Jurmar Madrona. Now, Mayor. Jersey number 10. No good on that 3-pointer, but here comes another offensive rebound. And that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Palitan lang po dito ng Kalamangan. No good. And here comes jersey number 19. Belardo for that defensive rebound. And now Junmar Madrona on the corner. Now Mayor pops for 3. No good. Pero hindi talaga dyan papayag itong ACC Green Serpents na hindi sila makapag-convert ng points. Medyo maganda rin yung kanilang offensive rebounds dito, putting up second chances points on the side of the Green Serpents. Now, Bayani, didiretso naman ngayon. Palitan lang po tayo dito ng Kalamangan, but a point lead pa rin on the side of the Green Serpents. And that is a foul coming from jersey number 27, Garnase. And the same ball possession here for the ACC Green Serpents. Now, jersey number 10, Iblugo in another 3, but an air ball. And here comes De Guzman on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Almost a deflection coming from Ibluguin. But now, Bayani once again to De Guzman for 3. And that was good on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Makakalamang na nga dito yung ating Defenders of Faith ng 2 puntos. Now Belardo to Bongon. Now Bongon, di diretso Bongon. No good, pero may kasabay yan na pushing foul from Lustria on the side of the defenders of Faith. At makakakuha nga dyan ng free throws itong si Bongon on the side of the Green Serpents. Now, defenders of Faith. Bayani well guarded here by Junmar Madrona. And now on the outside, Lustria, a steal coming from Madrona, and now nagmamadali, pero a missed opportunity, fast break opportunity for Ibluguin, pero makakakuha siya dyan ng 2 free throws. Junmar Madrona for his second attempt, may kasabay na nga sa doong foul. And now Fajardo checking in for the defenders of Faith. Now Junmar Madrona, no good on his first attempt. With still a point lead of the Daraga National High School. Once again, Junmar Madrona, in and out ball for that second free throw. Now De Guzman with 5 minutes and 27 on the game clock. Now De Guzman on the corner by Yanni. And here comes jersey number 21 Fajardo losing that ball after that steal by Bongo. Now Bongo naman ngayon di diretso, but that was no good. Pero here comes Belardo, still no good for the ACC Green Serpents. That was a 2 chances for the Green Serpents. And now Fajardo, well guarded by Belardo. Now here comes Bayani, di diretso na naman. Pero and out of bounds, and 8 on the 24 with 4 minutes and 48 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Ayan. Now Garnase. De Guzman on the outside. De Guzman fires for 3. No good. And out of bounds here by Mayor. And the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith will gain that ball possession. 3 seconds on the 24. May hirapan dito itong ating Defenders of Faith since 3 seconds na lamang yung nasa shot clock natin. Ayan, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng defenders to add up to their points. Now Bayani for 3, no good. And that was the expiration of the shot clock as the ACC Green Serpents will take that ball possession with Mayor for that baseline inbound. And here comes Ibluguin. Now Junmar Madrona. Ibluguin, di diretso Ibluguin with that pass to Belardo, and here comes Bongon on the corner, air ball, but Fajardo securing that defensive rebound, and here comes a deflection from Junmar Madrona. Grabe, an easy point coming from Ibluguin on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Sila naman ngayon yung may lamang dito ng 1 puntos, but another steal coming from the ACC Green Serpents. Nahihirapang umupensa dito yung ating Defenders of Faith. 17 on the 24, and that ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And a timeout is called on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila ditong adjustment since medyo nahihirapan sila ditong umupensa. And of course, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Lofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga, University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Nagayon Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bukal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge Fiber X, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Siyempre, pasalamatan rin natin ang Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Skydec Advertising owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. And of course, nandyan rin ang Department of Agriculture Bicol and BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta, and the time has been consumed, and now these players are in for the continuation of our first quarter with 3 minutes and 56 seconds on the game clock. Now, Bongon, nahihirapan pa rin dito yung ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, Ibluguin swings it to Bongon. No good on that 3-pointer. And that was out of bounds as the ACC Green Serpents will take that ball possession. Nine seconds on the shot clock. No good on that 3-pointer, but here comes Belardo. May kasabay na siya ngayong shooting foul on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Belardo getting that first free throw. No good on the second attempt, but here comes Ibluguin for that offensive rebound. Now Bongon, but a traveling violation from Ibluguin on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Siyempre, hatid sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now De Guzman, but a steal coming from jersey number 11. Grabe, mag-crossover sana doon itong si De Guzman, pero naagawan na siya doon ng bola. And here comes Mayor getting that 2-pointer. Now 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. No good on that pull-up jumper by Miranda. Medyo nakakasabay na yung dalawang teams na ito. Now, no good on that 3-pointer, but here comes Belardo once again for that second chance. Miranda, Magallones, no good. And here comes Magallones once again. May kasabay na siya dong shooting foul on his second attempt. 6 points yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito, as Magallones will be having a 2 free throws. No good on that first attempt by Magallones. And that was good for that second attempt by Magallones on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now ACC Green Serpents, Mayor to jersey number 7. Mayor on the corner for 3. No good. Now De Guzman. Almost a steal coming from jersey number 9 of the Green Serpents. Pero ayun na nga, steal. Now libreng-libre dito. Number 9 of the ACC Green Serpents, Vidal. And here comes De Guzman. losing the ball and trying to call a blocking foul, but there is no whistle coming from our officials. 10-17, the Daraga National High School is trailing here. And a coach's challenge on the side of the ACC Green Serpents kung kanino nga ba mapupunta yung ball possession doon sa last minute and 41 seconds remaining ng ating first quarter. 7 puntos po yung lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito, especially yung ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, if they are very eager to get that second spot or the second runner-up spot for Bukal Season 6 in our juniors division. And magandang laban po yung mga naghihintay sa atin for this quadruple Sunday action, because for the second game it will be another battle for third, yung ating USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents naman in the seniors division, while later din po magaganap yung game 2 nung ating championship round. Our finals. Later at 2 p.m. magbabakbakan po yung ating NCF Cubs and the ACLC Hawks. That will be the game 2 for the championship round for both of these teams. And also 5:30 po yung laban ng ating NCF and of course ng ating Ateneo. And that coach's challenge was successful. Unsuccessful rather, as the Daraga National High School will take that ball possession. And here comes Magallones for 3. Still no good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And here comes jersey number 7 to Mayor. Now, on the corner, jersey number 11. And that's still coming from Bayani. Nahihirapan dito. Now, Lustria to Fajardo. Now, De Guzman. Almost an alley-oop play pero no good. Now, Mayor on the corner, jersey number 9, Pops. No good. And here comes Robert Bayani. Nagmamadali dito. An easy pointer for Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, Mayor. Green Serpents. Jersey number 11 for 3. No good. Nahihirapan din dito ang umupensa. Umatake itong ating Green Serpents. Still no good. But here comes jersey number 7. Probably their 4th chance on that offense. And now, Bayani. De Guzman for 3. No good. And the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 5 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Still 7 points lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, 2 seconds and a turnover pa nga dito on the side of the Green Serpents. Makukuha pa dyan ng ating Defenders of Faith yung ball possession doon. 2 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Let's see, Garnase. And that's the end of the first quarter. The Daraga National High School is trailing here by 7 points. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. welcome back to the battle for third runner-up, Daraga National High School versus the ACC Green Serpents, their last game for this season, and the ball will go on the side of the Defenders of Faith. Now, jersey number 13, well-guarded double team and maaagawan dito ng bola. Now, 18, Mayor. Jersey number 7, a deep three-pointer, but no good. A double dribble for Garnasi on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Mukhang nadadala itong dalawang teams na ito doon sa panahon natin outside the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium. Malamig po ngayon and mukhang hindi pa natin nakikita yung mainit na plays nitong dalawang teams na ito. Now, ACC's basketball, Mayor. Jersey number 7. Now, Serrano. Natapik doon ni Bayani. Yung bola, almost a rejection. But here comes jersey number 11 on that short corner. Robert Bayani basket. Sabayan pa yan ng foul. A 3-play opportunity. 3 points play opportunity for Robert Bayani. Let's take a look once again. Grabe. Robert Bayani for his 3 points play opportunity. And that was good. On the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, still trailing here by 6 points. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Rain on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Rain, take it away.
Thank you, Jasper. The first minutes of the first quarter have been a great start for both of the teams, but as for the Serpents, they were reminded to know their positions in the hard court and be mindful of their teammates' plays as well. Specific instructions on how to improve their offense have also been told for a balanced play. And during huddle, the main reminder of coach was to focus on the ball and continue making plays that contributes to the team. Talaga nga namang a battle between the Final Four, the qualifiers of the Final Four this Bukal Season 6. Now this is the Serpents ending the first quarter in victory. Yan muna ang update on this side. Balik sa'yo, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And that was a 3-pointer coming from De Guzman. Ayan, at 3 puntos na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng ating defenders. But a back-to-back deflection. And this time, basket, sabayan pa yan ng foul for jersey number 11, Aringo of the ACC Green Serpents. And speaking of the ACC Green Serpents, yung kanilang koponan dito, the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's hear an update from Amanda. Courtside report of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Maraming salamat, Jasper, and that was the first quarter, and we witnessed how relaxed and focused the Defenders of Faith are. And now, the coaches reminded the players na mas bigyan pa ng pressure ang ACC Green Serpents sa second quarter. At pinaalalahanan nga si Garnase, De Guzman, ang ating mga star players sa loob ng hardcourt na ang kanilang depensa ay dapat mas pag-igihan at makipagkomunikasyon sa loob ng hardcourt. Mag-backs out at laging kunin ang bola para makapuntos. At ngayon nga sa second quarter ay nag-adjust sila sa kanilang 3-2 defense. Kaya naman titignan natin kung paano nga ba nila kukunin ang kalamangan ngayong araw at kung paano ba nila makukuha ang pagkapanalo ngayong araw laban sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Yun lamang updates mula dito. Balik sa iyo, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side naman of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, let's see. Since medyo tumaas na naman dito yung lamang ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, Serrano almost losing that ball. But here comes Aringo almost getting that three-pointer. But a turnover here on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith with Canyon for that baseline inbound. Now Robert Bayani. Screen coming from Canyon. Now Robert Bayani ngayon didiretso. A mid-range jumper, and that was good on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith baba ulit sa 4 na puntos na lamang ng ating Green Serpents. Now Bongon, Bayani for that steal. Bayani, another shooting foul from Bongon on the side of the ECC Green Serpents. Makakakuha nga dito ng 2 points or 2 free throws. Robert Bayani. No good on that attempt. For that second attempt by Robert Bayani. And the Daraga National High School is having a switch here as Fajardo checked in. And also the ACC Green Serpents, Ibluguin. Another steal for the Defenders of Faith, pero mukhang madudulas dyan Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith with 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 3 puntos na lamang yung lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now Junmar Madrona. A steal from Christian De Guzman, but no good. But here comes jersey number 3, Pedrezuela, to Robert Bayani. Fakes for 3, but a steal coming from jersey number 8. Now Serrano, still no good. And out of bounds as the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith will gain that ball possession. Now, Canyon. Bayani dancing here with Ibluguin. And now Fajardo di derecho. Misses that shot. And here comes the ACC Green Serpents, Bongon. Junmar Madrona on the corner, jersey number 8. Di derecho, jersey number 8. Now Bongon for that offensive rebound. And airballing that 3-pointer, but here comes Fajardo. Securing that steal. Now De Guzman, maaagawan nga dito ng bola ni Bongon. Both of these teams is having a steal. Now jersey number 8 for 3. No good. Nahihirapan. Both of these teams nahihirapang umupensa. Let's see Pedrezuela. Grabe. Blocking foul nga yung itatawag doon kay jersey number 10 ni Ibluguin on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. A 3 points play opportunity for Pedrezuela on the side of the Defenders of Faith. And a quick shoutout here sa mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV. We have here Santos Bonaobra, Salazar Marivic, John Patrick Magnampo, Debbie Ikamen, and Ezra Lenyo. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Matatawagan nga dito ng foul. Robert Bayani on the side of the Defenders of Fate. John Marmadrona to Ibluguin after that baseline inbound. Back to John Marmadrona. Now, Ibluguin fires for 3 and that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. No hesitation. Another steal coming from John Marmadrona on the corner. Fakes for 3 pero di diretso. Now, Belardo almost losing that ball but here comes Bongon. Grabe yung agawan dito ng bola. Walang gustong magbigay ng bola. But that ball will go on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. And mapapatawag na nga dito ng timeout itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. We'll see kung ano yung gagawing adjustments nila dito since hindi pa rin tayo nagkakaroon ng change of momentum or change of favor for the second quarter. Still, 4-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. And of course, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Bukal sponsors Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading, and Industries Incorporated, Pokar Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Ngo & Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, maraming salamat po. And of course, special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCFTRC and NCFIMC and Digital Graphics. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta. And of course, mamaya na po yung ating awarding ceremonies. 5 PM po yan. Now, ball possession of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Fajardo, well guarded Fajardo. Jersey number 8 trying to steal that ball. But the same ball possession here for the Defenders of Fate with 19 on the shot clock. Now, 28, Robert Bayani. Now on the short corner, no good on that attempt by Canyon, but a foul coming. A pushing foul coming from jersey number 14. Mukhang napasama yung pagbagsak dito. Fajardo on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Mukhang iniinda yung kanyang left hand. We'll see. Rest assured, nandiyan naman yung ating medical staffs to check for Fajardo kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari or kung ano nga ba talaga yung kailangang lunas dito ni Fajardo. Now, Iblugo in a long pass. Now, Junmar Madrona. Bongon to Iblugo in once again. Fakes for 3. Mid-range jumper. No good. And here comes De Guzman to secure that defensive rebound. No good on that shot by Canyon. Almost a steal coming from Garnase. But Garnase to Bayani, libreng-libre Bayani, but misses that shot. Grabe. He missed fast break opportunity for Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Isang puntos na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng Daraga National High School before getting that change of favor. 3 minutes and 1 second remaining for the first half. Now, Robert Bayani, no good on his first attempt. Robert Bayani, still no good. And now ACC Green Serpents ibluguin. No good on that 3-pointer by jersey number 8. Now here comes Mayor. Well guarded Mayor by Garnase. Mayor, no good on that 3. And now a missed opportunity for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Since isang puntos na lamang ngayong hinahabol nila dito. And now Mayor nagdadala ng bola for the ACC Green Serpents, well guarded by Garnase. And now ibluguin to Bongon. Now Bongon, a steal, almost a steal from Garnase. Grabe, napakabibilis nitong mga players natin on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Ayun na nga yung pinaghandaan ng ating Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights during the semifinals round, or the quarterfinals rather. Yung fast face down itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now here comes Pedrezuela. Matatawagan siya ng foul. Itong si Mayor on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 2 shots for Pedrezuela on the side of the Defenders of Faith. 1 minute and 58 seconds remaining. 3 points lead of the ACC Green Serpents. No good on that first attempt by Pedrezuela. And that was good for the second attempt by Pedrezuela. Now Garnase well guarding here. Diretso naman ngayon Bongon. An open shot for Bongon. And balik na po sa 4 na puntos yung lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. A steal coming from the Green Serpents. Here comes jersey number 11. Misses that open shot. But the Guzman to Pedrezuela. An in and out ball. Sayang yon. Pedrezuela for 3. And that was good on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Grabe, napakaganda nun. In and out ball for that pull-up jumper. Goes to the outside. And yung 3 points na naman dun yung pasok. Kaya naman pala in and out ball yung kanyang pull-up jumper dun, dahil yun yung para sa kanya, yung 3 points. And balik sa isang puntos na lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And as we can see, medyo napasama dito yung bagsak ni jersey number 11 on the side of the Green Serpents. And a quick shout out here to Henrico Bayani Barredo, Kirby Sagun, and of course Salazar Marivic. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Now ACC Green Serpents, Bongon. Diretso Bongon loses that ball. And the same ball possession here for the ACC Green Serpents. 48 seconds remaining. Ablo go in. No good on that 3-pointer, but almost getting that 3-pointer. Now here comes jersey number 4. Blind pass to Bongon. Another Missed opportunity. Pero nasa labas yan si Bongon nung pagpasa dyan ng bola. And a turnover here on the side of the Defenders of Faith. And the Defenders of Faith is having a switch here as Fajardo checked in change of Magallones. And now, a half-court press. Almost losing that ball, Garnase. And ayun na nga, nakuha na nga dyan ibluguin. Yung bola didiretso ibluguin, but a missed opportunity. Another Belardo getting that two-pointer. Grabe, ayaw nang patawidin itong ating ACC Green Serpents. 10 on the game clock. Bayani didiretso. Makakakuha nga dyan ng 2 shots. Bayani. After that foul by jersey number 19, Belardo. That was good for that first attempt by Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's see once again, Robert Bayani getting that basket, and as you can see on your screen, proud na proud doon yung girlfriend ni Robert Bayani doon sa ating bleachers. No good on that three-pointer by Iblogoen. Buzzer beater shot sana, and that's the end of the first half. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the second half of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula
And we are back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the second half of action. Battle for third place. It would be the ACC Green Serpents and the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. The Daraga National High School is trailing here by 3 points. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito sa ating second half to retrieve that lead and to have the change of favor on the second half of action. Now ACC's basketball. Jersey number 18. Pull-up jumper, and that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Dadagdagan nga nila yung lamang dito, extending to 5 points. Now Robert Bayani well guarded. De Guzman libreng-libre but misses that opportunity. Pero dun sa kanyang second chance, hindi siya dun papayag na hindi makakapag-convert ng puntos. And now Mayor on the side of the Green Serpents. Mayor ibluguin rather, but De Guzman securing that defensive rebound, and here comes Robert Bayani. Mukhang nakikita na natin yung laro nitong dalawang teams na ito as a block coming from Mayor. And here comes Garnase for that follow-up shot, pero wala pa rin on the side of the green of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, John Marmadrona for 3, and that was good. A quick 3 for John Marmadrona. Parang may pupuntahan itong si Robert Bayani kung maglaro. Napakabilis, nagmamadali palagi. And a basket plus a foul for Fajardo on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Grabe. Nakikita na natin yung laro nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, dahil kanina parang malamig pa yung mga kamay nila, but this time nararamdaman na natin yung init sa kanilang kaluluwa. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Amanda on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Amanda, take it away. Ayan, at babalikan natin si Amanda on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's see kung anong gagawin dito ng ating Green Serpents. Serrano almost getting that basket. Pero here comes Robert Bayani from Garnase after that defensive rebound. And now Robert Bayani well guarded here by Eblogoin. And missing that shot was Eblogoin on the side of the Green Serpents. And this time, ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Amanda once again from the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Amanda, anong update natin dyan?
Maraming salamat, Jasper. And that was the first half of our game this morning. Ayan, ang naging rebounds nga nila ay mas naging better, which became their key to clinch the battle and para mas makuha pa ang puntos ngayong araw. At pinaalala nga ni Coach Arnel that patience is a virtue, kaya naman dapat maghinay-hinay lang sila at huwag magmadali sa laban na ito. At nag-adjust nga sila sa kanilang 1-3-1 defense at magkakaroon sila ng short passage para sa kanilang ball possession dahil nakita na nila kung paano sila mag-a-adjust sa ACC Green Serpents. Aabangan natin kung ano nga ba ang gagawin nila para mas mahabol pa ang puntos ngayong araw. Kaya tutok ka lang dito sa One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa'yo, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Ayan na nga, at narinig natin, patience is a virtue nga daw. Ayon yan kay Coach Arnel of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And this time, titingnan natin kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito. Since Coach Arnel is near on the table, and it looks like complaining about a call from our officials. We'll see. Let's see kung anong mangyayari dito. Since I think we are having an officials review. And of course, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Naga yung Travel and Tours, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bukal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge Fiber X, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Also, special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and of course, Digital Graphics. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. And now, as we can see dito sa ating halftime analysis, mas mataas yung starter points dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents compared nga doon sa bench points ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And pagdating naman sa 3-pointers, doon sa field goals, mas mataas itong 3-point attempts or percentage nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, getting 4 3-pointers out of 10 attempts, while itong ating ACC Green Serpents 2 out of 16 lamang, equivalent to 12.50%. And the ball will go on the side of the Defenders of Faith with 11 on the shot clock. Let's see kung anong gagawin nila dito. Defenders, 3-pointer, a deep 3 from Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And this time, let's hear an update from Rain, the courtside reporter of the ACC Green Serpents. Rain, take it away.
Hello, Jasper. A proper transition of their offense was instructed to them during huddle. Implementing the man-to-man defense, they aim na bantayan ang tinatawag nilang tao inside the hard court. Until the last minute of the quarter ay naglalaban na dalawang teams, but still, this one ended in favor of the ACC Green Serpents. With a close fight ay patuloy silang binigyan ng payo kung paano maka-counter ang offense ng kalaban by adjusting on their position, and ayon nga kay coach is to act based on the location of the ball. Dahil pag alam nila ang pasa at kung pasaan pupunta ang bola, ay malalaman din nila on how to apply either an offense or defense plays. Now, patuloy kaya mangunguna ang ACC Green Serpents sa larong ito. Abangan natin yan only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Ayun na nga, titingnan natin kung still sa kanila yung favor for the second half, since 3 na lamang yung lamang nila dito, hindi rin hinahayaan ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith na makalayo itong ating ACC Green Serpents, as matatawagan nga dyan ng another foul, John Marmadrona of the ACC Green Serpents, and another 2 free throws will be awarded to Fajardo of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And that first free throw was good. A clean basket, hatid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Ayan, down to 2 points. 2-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. A chance here to a point lead. Let's see. No good on that second attempt by Fajardo, but here comes Fajardo. Grabe. Ayun na nga, deadlock na tayo dito sa 42 points after that offensive rebound by Fajardo. After that free throw by Fajardo, lahat nagaling kay Fajardo. But this time, ACC Green Serpents, Mayor for 3 points. And that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now let's see. Fajardo to Garnase. Now Garnase ngayon di diretso. De Guzman gaganti ng 3 at mababawi nga dyan yung 3-pointer ni Mayor on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Still deadlock at 45 points. Let's see. No good on that attempt by John Marmadrona, but here comes Robert Bayani. Lilipad na naman ba? But a layup was not good, as the Daraga National High School will take that same ball possession. 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Now, 3-pointer coming from Robert Bayani. Nothing but the net. A clean basket, a clean 3-pointer for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, and a change of favor here. Pero matatawagan dyan ng foul. Robert Bayani on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy na nga ba yung kanilang momentum dito. John Marmadrona stops for 3, but no good, and the whistle. A technical. Technical, ayan, natawagan dito. Grabe. Number 21 of the Daraga National High School, Fajardo, matatawagan dito ng pushing foul. And the Daraga National High School, yung bench nila dito, matatawagan naman dito ng technical foul for improper bench decorum, as Jun Marmadrona, Ibluguin rather, will take that technical free throw. Grabe. Lamang sila dito ng 3 puntos. Let's see. Jersey number 18, Mayor, well guarded by Garnase. Swing it to Bongon. Now, here comes Vidal, di diretso Vidal. But they still coming from Robert Bayani. Nagmamadali Robert Bayani. Di diretso, and a 2-pointer easy basket for Robert Bayani, adding up to their lead. 4-point lead na po ang hawak dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Anong pagbawi kaya yung gagawin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents? Akala ko makakakuha doon ng 3-pointer itong si Vidal on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. But here comes Fajardo. Another easy 2 points. And that forces the ACC Green Serpents to call a timeout. Napakagandang momentum na yung nasisimulan dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. We'll see kung paano nila yan ipapagpatuloy. And as we can see, the coaches of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith it looks like they are complaining here about that technical. Ayun nga, natawagan sila doon ng technical for improper bench decorum. As we can see, our officials is having a discussion here with 5 minutes on our third quarter, midway ng ating third quarter. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy yung momentum nitong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith o makakabawi dyan itong ating ACC Green Serpents. Since malaki-laki na rin yung hinahabol nilang puntos dito. 6 points. Mayor to Bongon. Now, Madrona to Iblogo in a deep 3, but no good on that attempt. Now, Robert Bayani. A screen from Garnase, but here comes a 3-pointer coming from De Guzman, almost getting that 3-pointer. Now Bongon, di diretso Bongon, maraming bantay Bongon, missing that shot. And here comes Fajardo to save that ball. Now Robert Bayani naman ngayon, no good on that easy layup. Now Iblogo in. 3-pointer from Iblogo in on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Agad naman nila yung babawasan dito ng 3 puntos. Pero dadagdagan naman yan ng 2 puntos ni Fajardo. Once again extending their lead to 5 points with 3 minutes and 45 seconds on our third quarter. Now let's see. Mayor swings it to Junmar Madrona from Bongon. Now Iblogo in once again stops for that pull-up jumper. And that was good on the mid-range. Grabe. Back-to-back points from Iblogo in of the Green Serpents. Fajardo gaganti naman dyan ng pull-up jumper. But here comes Miranda using that glass to finish that shot. Grabe. Once again extending their lead to 5 points. Now, Junmar Madrona to Iblogo in once again. Iblogo in. Madrona for 3, no good. And here comes Fajardo to Robert Bayani with 20 on the shot clock. Now, an ankle breaker. Grabe yun, oh. Ankle breaker from Robert Bayani. Pero he misses that 3-pointer. Mas maganda sana kung makapasok yung 3-pointer niya dun eh. Pero let's see. A traveling violation naman for Belardo on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Siyempre, hatid pa rin sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Still 5-point lead of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Robert Bayani, well guarded by Junmar Madrona. Now Garnase. Garnase to De Guzman on the short corner. Now here comes Miranda to Garnase. What a dynamics dito for Garnase and Miranda on the side of the Defenders of Faith. 1 minute and 55 seconds remaining for the third quarter. Now, jersey number 10, Eblogo, and deep three-pointer. Almost getting that three-pointer. In and out ball yun for Eblogo in. And now, Robert Bayani to Garnase. Now Garnase for 3, and that was good on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Now, Bongon for 3 once again, no good, but here comes Robert Bayani for that defensive rebound, and the ball will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Let's see. Mayor, no good on that deep three-pointer. Now, Defenders of Faith. Malaki-laki na yung lamang dito ng ating Daraga National High School. Defenders of Faith once again with that steal. But no good on that attempt by Robert Bayani. Last 34 seconds for the third quarter. Now jersey number 9. Almost getting that assist. Pero here comes Maya for that 3. And that was good on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Still trailing here by 9 points itong ating Green Serpents as we are about to end the third quarter. Now ACC Green Serpents 10 seconds. And a crucial error here for Mayor. 6 seconds before we end the third quarter. Now, Garnase. Jersey number 31, De Guzman. De Guzman for 3. No good. And that's the end of our third quarter. Our ACC Green Serpents trailing here by 9 points kontra dito sa ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Diyan lamang po kahit magbabalik po kami for the fourth and final quarter only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back here at the Ateneo Dinaga University Gymnasium for the fourth and final quarter of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is the battle for third runner-up. Let's see kung sino nga ba yung ating second runner-up for the juniors division and also yung ating third runner-up for the juniors division. And now, still coming from the Green Serpents, no good on that attempt by Bongon, but here comes Bongon once again. Makakakuha na nga siya dyan ng puntos for his second chance. And now Pedrezuela, but a rejection coming from Belardo of the ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Mukhang nakikita na natin yung eagerness ng pagbawi nitong ating ACC Green Serpents dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. A point plus a rejection dito sa early seconds ng ating fourth and final quarter. But here comes Miranda, almost getting that slam. Grabe. Konti na lang, dunk na yun eh. But here comes the ACC Green Serpents. Bongon. Mukhang magtitres dun eh. But here comes Iblogo in. Now Jun Marmadrona. To Mayor. No good. Now Robert Bayani. Well guarded here by Iblogo in Robert Bayani. Now to Garnase. Now to Fajardo. No good on that attempt by Fajardo. And here comes John Marmadrona securing that defensive rebound. And now, Iblogo in once again for the ACC Green Serpents. Trimming down the lead to 7 points. Let's see. Garnase to Miranda. And Miranda will be getting that 3 points play opportunity on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Rain on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, Jasper. As the opponent managed to catch up to the Serpents, coach reminded the players to focus on their goal, which is to maintain plays under both of their offense and defense. Man-to-man defense is still observed during the third quarter, but this time ay nahihirapan sila sa opensa. With the eagerness of the opponent to take the lead, ay hindi maiwasan ang lapses on the side of the Serpent. But still, with the current situation, hindi pa din tinitigilan ng pag-remind sa players on how to apply strategies when playing. Exerting effort on their speed in the hard court is important dahil may kailangan talaga silang habulan. This is the fourth and final quarter, and the Serpents started it by letting the first 5 back in the court. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain, on that quick update from the side of the Green Serpents. And as we can see, Green Serpents gumagawa ng paraan dito para mabawi yung lamang na nagawa dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And now, Garnase to Fajardo. Now Fajardo, no good on that attempt by Fajardo dahil medyo mahigpit na yung depensang nakikita natin ngayon on the side of the Green Serpents. And now Mayor to jersey number 4, almost getting that 3-pointer because having that good bounce. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Amanda on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Jasper, and that is how the Defenders of Faith got the momentum on the third quarter. At sa third quarter nga ay nakita natin kung paano binigyan ng Defenders of Faith na pasunod-sunod na puntos ang ACC Green Serpents na nagkaroon ng kalamangan sa third quarter. At ngayon nga, on the last quarter, handang-handa na silang ipakita ang kanilang trainings and experiences for this season. At titignan natin kung paano ba nila kukunin ang pangalawang pwesto this season. Kaya tutok lang kung paano pa nila papainitin ang laban ngayong umaga. Dito lang yan sa One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa'yo, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, on that update from the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And ayun na nga, patuloy ditong lamang itong ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, pero babawasan niya ng 3 points nitong si jersey number 9. A deep 3-pointer pero libreng-libre siya doon. Now here comes De Guzman to Miranda. And now Miranda ngayon, a traveling violation. A very crucial error on the side of the Defenders of Faith. Siyempre, hatid pa rin sa atin yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, jersey number 18, Mayor. To jersey number 9. Now, jersey number 18, Mayor. Well guarded here, Mayor. But a screen coming from Belardo. No good on that attempt by jersey number 4. But here comes Belardo for that second chance point. Pero agad namang nakaganti dito si Pedrezuela on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Well, that's not Pedrezuela since Pedrezuela is not in dito sa ating hard court. And the ECC Green Serpents having a switch here as jersey number 12 checked in for the Green Serpents. Now, Garnase to jersey number 31, De Guzman. Now De Guzman well guarded, double team De Guzman. And now a steal to jersey number 12, but a rejection from De Guzman. And timeout has been called on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith, courtesy of Coach Arnel. And let's see kung ano yung gagawing adjustments dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Since kanina from that double-digit lead, now down to 6-point lead ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang gameplay dito to adjust, of course, their lead and to keep that momentum on hanggang sa pagtatapos ng ating fourth and final quarter. And of course, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Lofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Naga yung Travel and Tours, NCFD Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range. And of course, Bukal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge Fiber X, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta since the start of Bukal Season 6, nandiyan na sila. Patuloy na sumusuporta for this league. And the next game will be the USI Falcons and the ACC Green Serpents in the Seniors Division po. And now Garnase deflecting that ball. Grabe, fast break opportunity for Garnase. Now, ACC's basketball, jersey number 4 for 3. No good. But here comes De Guzman to secure that defensive rebound. And now to Robert Bayani. To De Guzman. To Fajardo. Fajardo, teardrop shot, no good. Now, ACC's basketball. No good pa rin. Pero here comes Belardo. Nagdalawang isip pa kung tatalo na siya o hindi. But a turnover here on the side of the Green Serpents. And now, Green Serpents having a switch here as jersey number 17, Bongon checking in for the Green Serpents. Now, Robert Bayani. Double team Robert Bayani, and here comes Garnase, libreng-libre. No good on his attempt dahil andon si Belardo. And a two-pointer. Now Fajardo. Now, ACC's basketball, Mayor. After that sideline inbound by Iblogoin. And here comes jersey number 12. Three-pointer. 3 puntos na lamang yung kailangang habulin dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents with a lot of time remaining. And here comes Iblogoin. Masasabayan nga dyan ni Robert Bayani makakakuha rin dito ng 2 free throws, and a timeout has been called on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Let's see kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito. Mukhang ready na yung ating ACC Green Serpents Seniors basketball team na makipagbakbakan kontra sa ating USI Falcons. Also a battle for third doon sa ating seniors division. And ayan, yung ating ACC Green Serpents seniors division, fresh na fresh sila coming from the National Capital Region after competing to the Invitational Games of CHED to represent Prisaa. Ayan. Magandang laban ang matutunghayan natin for the second game this Sunday. And this timeout is very crucial din for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith dahil 3 puntos na lamang yung lamang nila. And of course, 4 minutes and 7 seconds pa yung natitira for our 4th and final quarter. Kaya we'll see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito. Now, Ibluguin good on his second attempt. Now, Fajardo. Di diretso Fajardo, but no good on his attempt. And here comes Bongon to secure that defensive rebound. Basket naman dito kay jersey number 12 and deadlock at 73 points. Grabe. Crucial error dito for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. A traveling violation. Hatid sa atin yan ng Nagayan Travel and Tours. And of course, let's see kung ano yung gagawin dito ng ACC Green Serpents to have that change of favor on our 4th and final quarter. Now here comes Mayor to jersey number 17, but no good. And another steal from Mayor of the ACC Green Serpents. A steal from Garnase. Grabe. Having a steal from both of these teams. Miranda missing his opportunity there. And now, jersey number 12, Mayor to 12, and now Belardo makakakuha nga siya ng 2 points, and that was a change of favor dito sa ating 4th and final quarter. This time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Amanda on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Amanda, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Jasper, and that is how the Defenders of Faith maintain their momentum in this quarter. At titignan natin kung paano nga ba nila mas papaigin pa ang komunikasyon at ball passage sa loob ng hardcourt. This is the last quarter. That is why the team captain, Mark Christian de Guzman, reminded his teammates na gawin na ang lahat para makuha nila ang ikalawang pwesto ngayong umaga. Yan lamang updates mula dito, and this is Amanda Lazaro, and it's with distinct honor to be the courtside correspondent of Daraga National High School and Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges this season. Magkikita-kita tayo sa susunod na may init na aksyon. Dito lamang yan sa Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League. Only here at One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa'yo, Jasper.
Thank you so much, Amanda, for that quick update on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. And ayun na nga, narinig natin. It was an honor talaga na maging part ng Bukal community. And of course, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And this time, let's hear an update naman from Rain Reyes on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Hello, Jasper. On the side of the Serpents ay walang tigil ang paalala sa kanila to observe the positions of the opponents so that they can adjust and be able to implement an effective play. At kung makikita nyo nga ay nasusunod nila ang instructions na ito dahil hinabol nila ang score and made the gap closer. And better yet, ngayon nga, inauna na nga sila. Pinanindigan nga ng dalawang teams, lalong-lalo na ng Serpents na they came to play and win. Now this has been Rain Reyes, the courtside reporter of the ACC Green Serpents. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain Reyes, on that update from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Maraming salamat for that update. And this time, lamang pa rin dito ang ating ACC Green Serpents ng 1 puntos. And still ball possession dito ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining. Both teams are from the province of Albay. ACC Green Serpents galing sa Tabaco City, Albay, and Daraga National High School galing naman sa Daraga, Albay. So we'll see kung sino ang mag-uwi ng second runner-up spot, and of course ang ating third runner-up spot for this game, as the Daraga National High School nakalamang nga dyan ng 1 puntos pero agad namang binawi yan ni Junmar Madrona after getting that 3-pointers. 2-point lead of the ACC Green Serpents. Now Miranda. Junmar Madrona having a steal here. Now Mayor. 1 minute and 13 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Now, here comes Serrano on the inside. Back to the outside. Junmar Madrona for 3. No good. And here comes Garnase securing that defensive rebound. Pero still coming from jersey number 12. Grabe, napakabilis, nagmamadali. But a missed opportunity on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And now, same ball possession here. As the possession arrows point the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith 2-point lead of the Daraga National High School. I mean the ACC Green Serpents with 46 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. Ayan, at shot clock reset tayo dito to 24 seconds. We'll see. Now, Garnase for that baseline inbound with 46 seconds remaining. Now, Robert Bayani. A full court man-to-man trapping. But here comes De Guzman, almost losing that ball. Double team De Guzman, but here comes Bayani. Diretso Bayani, but still coming from Junmar Madrona to jersey number 18, Mayor. Extending their lead here to 4 points. And a crucial timeout here for the Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. We'll see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito. 28 seconds remaining and 4 points lead yung na-extend na lamang dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Quick shoutout here to Salazar Burse Marivic, Jester Ereher, Debbie Ikamen, Rex Belhica, and Jean Almar Cordenete na tutok sa ating Facebook Live via Oragon Sports TV. Supporters ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And of course, nandyan rin yung mga supporters ng ating Daraga National High School Defenders of Faith. Happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. And now, that timeout has been consumed. 28 seconds remaining for the fourth and final quarter. We'll see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito as the Green Serpents implementing a 1-2-2 defense here with Ibluguin. 2-3 defense rather. 2-3 zone defense. Now Garnase. Robert Bayani for 3, misses that shot, but here comes De Guzman. Let's see. De Guzman, no good pa rin on the side of the Daraga National High School Defenders of Fate. Let's see, 17 seconds remaining. ACC's basketball shot clock is off, and that was a foul from De Guzman. Now, ACC's basketball, alley-oop play for Belardo, but no good on that shot. And now, 1 second remaining, and that's the end of our fourth and final quarter. ACC Green Serpents winning this battle, and they will be the second runner-up for Bukal Season 6 Juniors Division Basketball. And yung ating Daraga National High School naman will be the third placer for the Juniors Division Basketball for Bukal Season 6. Ayan. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami para makilala natin ang best player of the game only here on Uragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa Bimeg Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and this time kasama na natin ang best player of the game, none other than jersey number 18, Christian Mayor, with 16 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, and 4 steals. Atid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Alright, so first of all po, congratulations for winning this game, and this would be the last game for the ACC Green Serpents Juniors Division. And now, ano yung feeling na defending champions kayo for this season in the Juniors Division, and now, second runner-up lang yung inabot nyo this season?
Masaya pa rin po kasi nakuha pa lang yung panalo po. At yun lang po.
Alright. And ngayon naman, since ito na yung last game ng ACC Green Serpents Juniors, ano pa yung dapat naming abangan next season, since for sure, magpa-participate pa naman yung ACC Green Serpents for the next season of Bukal?
Babawi po talaga kami next season at pagigiyan po namin sa training talaga po. Yun.
And for the last part of this best player shout out, I am giving you the floor to shout out sa lahat ng supporters nyo and of course family relatives na nakasuporta sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po sa ACC community na walang sawang suporta at sa staff and faculty po, lalong-lalo na po kay George Alter Copo Bereses po. At binabati ko po yung pamilya ko sa Daraga. Salamat sa walang sawang suporta at sa mga classmate ko po and sa lahat ng student po ng Amando Copian, kay Julian Bragais po.
Alright, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the best player of the game. Once again, Christian Mayor. Hatid sa atin yan ng KD Sportswear and Apparel. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik pa po kami only here on One Media, TV48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Ayun na nga at nakilala na natin ang ating best player of the game. Hatid sa atin yan ang KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker here in Naga City. Diyan lamang po kayo dahil susunod na po ang bakbakan ng ating ACC Green Serpents and the USI Falcons. Also a battle for third place Dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sports TV. Once again, I am Jasper Abante. And of course, maraming salamat po sa ating lovely ladies na nakasama natin. Sa courtside, we have Amanda Lazaro and Rain Reyes. Ayan, maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng tumutok only here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.